Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is postgresql.org. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 18.4. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then select Linux, then click on Debian. See, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Debian 13, 12 and 11. Now we have to execute these commands one by one. So open terminal, then import repository key by running these three commands. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Now copy and execute next two lines. Now create this file, sudo va, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this entire text, then paste it, escape, $, exclamation, which means save and exit. Okay, control A. Next, update the packages, sudo apt update. Successfully updated, control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server, sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, give 17. 18 is the latest one at the time of making this video, so hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 18 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done, and see here, this is the data directory and these are the default values. Max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the time zone, this is based on my machine time. Okay, control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is installed and it is active and service is enabled. Quit. Now connect to PostgreSQL server, sudo su postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. This is not the version of the PostgreSQL server, it is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.4. Quit, control A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privilege. You can also get the list of the users by running select user username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user, alter user Postgres, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. It is done. Now we will create database. Before that, verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Quit. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, we have created a table customer in public schema and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Control it. Now we'll create user. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Here David 8123 is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. PSQL -h means host name, local host, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. David -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password that he has set for this user. Password user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Control A. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission entered for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Debian Linux operating systems. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.4 on Debian Linux 13. You can't stop or start this Postgres user. So exit from the current user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. You can also verify the same. Sudo by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. See, you are unable to connect, so exit from the current user. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Duplicate. Control A. Now we will see how to restart. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted on second time. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.4 on Debian Linux 13.5. But the process is same on all Debian Linux operating system versions. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.